Today we'll be putting the grab bar ball bolt in a Gladiator. The one we're using is a 1-inch size, and 20 millimeter is exactly the same instructions. With this one, you can get away with using the little factory Jeep tool. It's the larger Torx you'd use for the doors. Put that in the bolt, the factory one that's in there. Pull it out. It comes right out. This is, you'll notice, it's a very odd thread. It's like a, it's actually, normally thread it starts and it goes, or makes one revolution. This has two threads and makes a revolution, so it goes twice the distance. It's kind of an odd little piece, but we've found a way to replicate it nicely. Ours goes right back in the same spot. We have had a few customers that have noticed this comes out and looks like it has a little black washer on it. That in fact is not a washer. It's the little back of the counterboard that's down inside here, and what we've kind of deduced is that from the factory, these factory little pieces were probably tightened too tight. The two that we've seen that on have been Gladiators, and they were really early numbers, so hopefully nobody else sees that issue. Take our piece, you want to start it in. It won't start like a normal bolt. You won't be able to just use your fingers and thread it in, just not, you know, like a standard nut and bolt. You're going to want to put some pretty heavy forward pressure on it and start to rotate it. You can get it to start. Go to your tool. You can use an Allen wrench as well. It'd be an 8 millimeter Allen wrench. It's not as easy to put force on that Allen wrench. So using this tool, make sure it's fully seated in the part. Put your thumb on it, push on it. And you can't push on it hard enough to where it would strip it. You want to be, there's some pretty good force there pushing forward. So it'll come to where it tightens up. Just give it a little snug and you're good to go.